Okay, part 2 of new reptiles video. This one will be about bearded dragon. If you haven't watched the Monday's video, I strongly recommend you to first watch that video because I just recorded that one and this is like continuation of that story. So here is the video, so go and check that out. It is about the chameleon, so it is worth watching, I'm sure. Let me turn this camera first, some light and some bearded dragon. As I said in previous video, these two, they were gift from a subscriber and Patreon, Amanda and her husband that I forgot the name of. Sorry. They have bearded dragon breeding pair and this one is like I think 2 months old, but I'm not entirely sure if I remember that correctly. But here it is, little baby bearded dragon. Come. Just like we got little baby chameleon, now we got little baby bearded dragon. And look how adorable it is. I mean, the chameleon was also adorable, but this one actually have like a happy face. You see? Not sure how much you see, but it will be better in new enclosure when I do like better close-ups. But this is our second new reptile. And I really like the colors on him. The sex is still unknown. He's a bit too small to know that, but he is most likely a male. Probably a male, but not 100% sure. So for now we will refer to him as he. Chameleon did not want to eat, but I think this guy is more feisty. Because you see, he's so super chilled. Amanda told me that she handled him a lot purposely to make him be used to human hands and human interactions, so that's why he's so chilled and relaxed. But in general, bearded dragons are like that, chilled and relaxed. Let's see if he will take the lateralis roach. Look, hey, you want that? Oh yeah! Come on, eat it! Oh, first feeding video. First time for me feeding this guy. He just arrived from Germany, so he's super hungry now. Let's get him in his new enclosure and there we will feed him more. What do you say about that? And I also got a name for him. And it is a hilarious one. He will be here. Let's go. But I love how relaxed he is. He's super relaxed. Hey, go on your spot. This is your basking area. Come on, this is your new enclosure. You wanna check it out? No, you want to be on my hand? Hey, I need my hand. Go on the... Yeah. Oh, that is huge and awesome in the same time. You like it? What do you say, little guy? The glass door is not installed. I have the panels here. Here are the panels, we will install that a bit later. The dirt is, as you can see, drying and there are a lot of cracks, as I said that there will be, and it looks awesome. I really like it. It is still not completely dry, still a bit softish, but it is more than usable. I really like the look. If you are wondering how I made this enclosure and also the chameleon enclosure, just check my previous videos. There is like a whole series of videos of me making these enclosures, so you can find out everything about that. But how do you like your enclosure? Hey! Oh, he's so tiny in it. So idea of this spot, we have a heat reflector here, UVB light here. So this spot is well lit and heated. There is plenty of UVB there, and he'll most likely spend most of his time sitting somewhere here, depending on if he needs more heat or less heat. He can just move around. This part, it will contain sand, and you see there is a lot of barks, cork barks for hiding and just going around and exploring and doing stuff. While this area, it is dirt with a lot of clay, so it holds shape really well once it dries. And somewhere here I will put like a water dish and food dish for him. Isn't that right? Let's give him more roaches. Roaches. Let's grab a nice one. Hey, look, roach. Hey. Yum. Oh, no, it escaped. Oh no, what we will do now? There it is. Here you go, take two. Oh, come on, I squished him a bit too much. Come on, get it. Nice. You like lateralis roaches? I bet you do. He immediately became like a twitchy, searching for more. Look, I got more. Yeah, you like it? Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. I really like bearded dragons. They are so chilled, relaxed, good eaters. Definitely the best reptile to begin with. Want some more? He's awesome. What is that? What is that? Take him. Nom 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 nom. They are so cool, so cool. Chameleons looks nicer, but these guys got better personalities. But chameleons can also be tame, although that requires more work than with these guys. I will put the door now and explain the door situation. We have one panel going there. You see, it just slides like that. And the second panel, there goes the second panel. And now you can spot that I have a hole here, but that's intentional because this glass will actually go here and this glass will be like here. This part I will put a plexiglass door here, just like I have here, and that one will contain holes for the ventilation. Now I'm not sure if only this side cover with holes for ventilation will be enough. If that won't be enough, if the air inside will be like not good, I will remove this like that and also put a piece of plexiglass here that will have holes. That way the whole enclosure will have like a circulation, a proper circulation. And yeah, this is crooked. Don't look at that. But for now I need to put it like this and like this, and since he is so small he won't be able to get outside. Now let's wait for him to start exploring his enclosure. Will you start exploring your enclosure? Actually, let me tell you how I named him. He moved. Are you going somewhere? Okay, you know how bearded dragons are. Calm and chill and slow, usually slow. They can be fast when they are hunting and, I don't know, excited. But generally they are like super chilled. So I decided to name him Despacito. Because Despacito means, oh, he jumped. He's not so Despacito now. Where are you going? Yeah, feel free to explore and do whatever you want to do. So Despacito means like slowly, and it fits perfectly for the bearded dragons. And also it is a meme and it is a perfect name for him. Definitely. So Despacito it is. Despacito. Come here. Let's see if I will lure him with the foot once again. Oh, he went inside of the cork bark. Well, that's intentional. Cork barks are there for that. Hey, Despacito. Hey, Despacito. You want a roachito? Guess he will come down. Yeah, there he is. Want a roach? Awesome. You like the enclosure, right? It seems like it. Let me change the camera, even though this one doesn't have the mic. But it is easier to record with it. What are you doing down there? Hey! He walks so funny. Doop 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 doop. Come here on this. This is more prettier. Let me take you. There. I will feed you now. No worries. Here's one. Come. He's so cute. So cute. Despacito. Come here. Yeah. They are like dogs. A reptile dog. How awesome. But I forgot to powder your food, and I also need to buy the vitamins for him. What is that? I like how active he is. Not really Despacito at the moment. Huh? I am in love for the second time today. First in Felix, the chameleon. Now in Despacito, the bearded dragon. And there's still a leopard gecko left for next video. Hum hum hum. It seems that he enjoys this part more than this part, probably because of all the climbing space. And he definitely got a lot of climbing space here. That's good, right? Righty right? Such a different personality when you compare it to the chameleon. Let me see where he is. Felix, where are you? Oh, there you are. Hiding, of course. At least he found his basking spot. That's a good sign. I will end the video here. I'm not sure exactly how long it will be. These videos might come off to be a bit shorter than the usual ones, but after I introduce to all the animals, we will be back to normal schedule. First thing is a tarantula feeding video. We haven't had tarantulas in the video for too long, definitely for too long. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs it up and comment something. If you want to support this channel even more, there's a Patreon page. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so see you again soon. Bye bye.